So hello guys. Sang sabi ko kanina, doon lang ako sa may Fairy Tale Falls. Tapos babalik ako. Kaso, it's very slippery. Ewan kong loka-loka ko hindi ako nagdala ng micro spike. So, nagdiretso na ako dito all the way down to back to Multnomah Falls. I parked my car at Wakina Falls Trail. I thought I can go through to the Multnomah Falls, but it's not. The road's still closed. I thought they're fixing it, but still they're not fixing it though. So I'm doing the loop from Wakina to Multnomah Falls alone. It's really nice. So white because of the snow. It's my Friday hike. Me time. Solo hike. Without my biatch. Kasi baka mapagod siya. Magtubing kami tomorrow eh. Ganda ng puno oh.